Alright, Deputy, now listen up. I know it has been a very long day, and this is the very last train of the day, but the most important part of the day is getting ready to approach. We are getting ready to get the payroll. So here's what's going to happen. We have to hurry up and grab that payroll, and we have to deliver it before anything happens out here.
Whoa, Sheriff. We've been getting robbed and shot at and attacked by Indians all day. Now you tell me we need to get that out of here before something bad happens?
Yes,
This thing bad you're talking about? Tell it to me straight, Sheriff. Are we going to get robbed?
Yes.
Are we going to get shot at?
Probably.
Are we going to get attacked by Indians?
If we're lucky, that'll happen before the last train of the day is over with. Hold it right there! Get your honey back over here. Now listen, how do you ever expect to make something of yourself and keep running off like that? Now here's what I want you to do. Go to your car, get some minutes right here. Over there, I want you to get the gold box in hand. I want you to bring the gold box out here. I want you to set the gold box right here. I want you to keep your eyes on the gold box. I'm going into the Pony Express office to take it to the payroll. I will be right back. We'll go into town and get a bump cake.
Alright, I think I got it. Just in case. Tell me the whole thing again, I wasn't listening.
Walk over there, get the gold box, bring it out here, keep your eyes on it. I'll be right back.
That'll help you. Well, I'm going to get
Hey,
mine done.
Murdock! Murdock, come on over here. See what's going on? Looks like that sheriff left that stupid deputy all by himself.
By himself.
Yeah, you know what that means, right?
Not a clue.
Okay, come on over here, I'll break it down for you.
Right.
Now, the sheriff has left the deputy all alone. And the deputy is watching a large box full of gold.
Oh, forget all that. Look, we can steal that gold box right now.
That's what... You know what? That's a great idea.
I knew it!
Let's go steal that gold box. Now listen, I'm going to head inside this saloon, and I'm going to let you take care of this whole gold box situation, all right?
Take care of it like, go get you a phone cake and drink and all that.
No, not like you're a server at the Outback.
Oh.
You got to take care of him in a mean way. You're a bad guy.
Like, you're going to get on the coke and the gun. Yeah.
No.
No.
Mean as in just take it from him. Push him over, call him names. I don't care what
I
you
can
do.
handle that.
All right.
Me
That's
is
what
my...
he's teaching his children.
What?
It's not my middle name. What's something like that? I don't know how to do it.
Okay, tell you what. I'll be out in just a minute, so if you need any help, I'll be right there.
You
Okay?
got it! Woo!
I will love him and thank him and call him George.
Hey! What happened? What was that?
What's up, bro?
Where?
It was in my hand. I think you made a pee on me.
You know those things will give you warts.
It's gonna give you warts now.
Not today, because...
I need an adult.
Give me your back. Now, what are you so skittish about?
Well, I'm scared because I was out here and the sheriff told me that we was gonna get robbed.
No way.
And we was gonna get shot at. We was gonna get attacked by Indians. And that's all before the Chamber of Commerce train tonight.
Oh, it's Chamber of Commerce tonight.
That's where the frog pee was.
I know that. Gross.
Sorry.
Ugh. Don't want frog pee on me. Nasty. Now look what you've done to these people. They don't even know what's going on right now.
They all
one
look
looks
very
confused.
confused, yeah.
And that one right there, he doesn't know what's going on. He's still trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
I tell you what, you should go up there and tell them that everything...
All right, will do.
Got it.
Hang on just a second. Let me watch that gold box for me while I'm gone.
Okay.
Thank you, Murdock.
Thank you. Ow. All right. Memphis, we got to go.
All right, Deputy, I think that. Whoa.
He's still in the
What
door.
is going on out here? Murdock?
It's a robbery. Sherry, is that your real name? Oh!
You're a honey.
You!
Huh?
One up on you!
Oh, what up on me? Well, you sure showed me with your superior mind
That is
there.
correct, and there is nothing you can do to stop me!
Nothing?
Maybe one thing!
That was loud.
Deputy,
Yeah!
your
You
butt
better
is
not
back.
make another move. I'll fill you so
Deputy!
full of double stick in first. Let's press it.
Deputy,
What?
your butt is backwards.
That's good.
Yeah.
Stop right there, Memphis. You're under arrest in the name of the law.
Not that butt, Deputy. The butt of your gun is backwards.
Ha! You're in trouble now.
You're right. I sure am. Hey, Deputy. You know, I've been thinking a lot about it, and I realized that I just feel really horrible about what I've done. And that was just, I'm very sorry about that, and I want to make it up to you. So I got you a little gift.
That's
Yep. Now hold out your hands, close your eyes. That's it.
what is it, Memphis? Oh, that's dynamite. Woo! All right, it looks just like dynamite. Whoa, what's going on?
We gotta get out of here before the sheriff shows up.
Okay. Hi, Sarah.
How are you? Come on, here we go. Wait!
Alex, what's going on out here?
Well, I'll tell you what's going on out here. It appears that Memphis and Murdock ran away. Where's Murdock? Ah, Murdock! Scared me. Well, it appears that these two criminal masterminds decided that they were going to rob the train today.
Look! A Pony Express driver.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, don't worry.
Good job.
We're gonna throw him in jail for you.
Thank you.
Too dangerous. Take Fort Boone instead.
All right.
We're too dangerous.
We're so dangerous. Hold it right there. Now,
All
listen.
right.
You heard the lady, so here's what's going to happen. You two clowns are going to get back on the train, and you're not going to cause them any more problems. You understand? Folks on cars 3 and 4, if you got your guns with you, keep them on these two. Make sure they don't do anything silly. If you're on 1, 2, or 5, get your guns ready, get them loaded. It looks like I'm going to need all the help that I can get.
Yes, you
Mr.
are.
Conductor, let's go.
Those two are outlaws.
Thank you.
You outlaws?
All right, Casey Jones,
I get it.
we got the gold back, so let's head on up to Fort Boone. Well, folks, I guess you can't tell what's going to happen here on the front seat, but the rest of this.
Step in, let's go! Debbie, watch out behind you. Good job. Murdock, are you okay? Uh-oh. It's okay, folks. It's fine. Works every time.
Oh.
Get that. You hurt yourself.
Okay, alright. Well, it took y'all long enough to get here. What was the holdup?
Well, if you want to know about holdups, why don't you talk to these two?
I don't go to the bathroom anymore.
Good. Daddy, come here. Now listen, you did a good job back there. Now, good thinking with a cannon. I guess you saved my hide. Thank you very much.
No problem, Sheriff. You know I do my best to help the people here at Tweetsie Railroad out, but I'm no Fred Kirby. You can say that again.
Oh, back up. You must have hit him hard.
You know what, David? I think you're going to get just fine around here. That's all right.
He's really committed.
Come on. Yeah, turn the box. Here you go. There's your prisoner.
Sorry. I'm about to go home. I can't watch out.
Oh, don't worry. We'll take you back in, Sam. We'll find something to do, right, Deputy?
Okay.
Hey, I'm sure that Hopper can use the port road before he can use the show up. Hey, Sheriff,
Yeah.
if those are Indians, does that make us Indians?
I get it.
Yeah, that's funny. Wow. Look, I'm laughing more.
Alright, Casey Jones has that on back down.
Y'all don't think I can take care of myself out here? Oh!